Hello, everybody, especially all of you professionals and entrepreneurs living and working in the new economy, and love to meet more people. So we are putting on another mixer, we being the Lafayette Chamber of Commerce, of which I am an ambassador. And I'd like you to see what our goal is. This is a mixer that we put on recently. It was a mega mixer. We had about 500 people attend in the room. And when I saw that, that was really a light bulb moment for me to take multi-chamber, cross-chamber networking online and really to create huge audiences online. So I want to invite you to come to the Lafayette Chamber of Commerce. Matter of fact, let me kind of give you a quick tour here. This is the our website, the New Economy Chamber of Commerce. And again, here's a picture of the kind of networking that can be done as a member of a Chamber of Commerce. So we have a simple calendar where we post it, and you can learn about different events right here on the New Economy Chamber of Commerce. We have different events, like this is the one on the 26th. And this is in Lafayette. It's not really a far walk from BART, so you could take BART to the Lafayette station and join us. And then I want to also tell you about the online mixers that we have. For example, every Thursday we have an online mixer starting at 10 o'clock. We call these free mixers cheers, where everybody learns your name. So we do a thing called speed chat networking, where I use my background with NBC TV and radio in New York to interview you about who you are and what you have to offer, and it's fun. And then we put our information right in the chat box, so it's speed chat networking. Also, we do educational programs, but you know, we understand that a lot of people want to belong to a Chamber of Commerce so that they can meet other people. So a lot of great opportunities to be able to do that. That's why I posted our mixer on Meetup, and I hope you will join us. So for the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, I'm Mike Hayes. Thanks for joining me.